Guys, I'm about to jerk some chicken. You know, it's summer 2023, so yeah man, using some lime. You can go ahead and use whatever you have, vinegar, anything at all, to clean up your chicken. You can go ahead and use that. So we are going to just show you how we Jamaican clean chicken down a yard when we are jerking. Alright, so stick and stay. Booms. Alright guys, so this is how we clean up our chicken. Now we remove this part, which is the blood. Alrighty. And you know, we remove this excessive fat that is right here on the chicken, but we do not remove the skin. Being as we are going to jerk it, we don't need to remove the skin, right? And then we just wash that really good. You know, make sure that there is no hair on it. You want to wash it off properly, you know. So this is all clean, nice and dandy. So I'm gonna just toss this over there, and you know, it's wait until I give it the next wash. Alrighty, booms. Alright, as for the wing, you know, nothing much you do to the wing. You just have to look and ensure that there is no feather that is on the wing, and as I can see clearly here, I'm not seeing any. I just go ahead and I just wash that off, right? And I just toss it over there. And I'm moving on to a leg now for you to see. Yeah, you just have to look. There's not much on the leg to do as well. You just look and see if you see any hair, and clearly we identify a little hair. Can you see that, my peeps? Yup. So we're gonna just pick that right off. Alrighty. And then we're going to just wash it, you know, wash it off really good, getting off the slime. You know, we're not going to remove the skin, and this is it. Waiting on the next wash. Boom. So we are giving our chicken the final wash. So guys, what I normally do as soon as I finish clean up my chicken, I use bunting to dry them properly before we add our season. You know, we don't want too much water on it when we are adding our season, because we need our season to sit on our chicken so that it can be real flavorful. When too much water is on it, it's like the season just run off. You know, you get me? So we normally dry them with bunting and thing, make sure them properly dry. Yeah. I dash on some season on it now and leave it to marinate before we proceed to jerk this. And as I say, if you know you're going to jerk some chicken or any type of meat at all, you know you're going to look after, guys, season it from overnight. It is the best. And put it back in the fridge until the next morning. What I do too, I lift up the chicken skin, the skin of the chicken, and I clean off the slime. I don't know who do that like me, but I love to lift it and clean it off. Once I'm not removing it all together, like I'm gonna jerk it, I normally love to lift it and clean away the slime, you know. That's what I love to do. Clean. Look at it. Clean and pretty. No slime. Yeah. I hate that slimy thing on the chicken. I know. Where that come from though? Anybody can tell me? Anyway, I dash on some season for them now. I'm dashing on some ground paprika. And I am also using some lemon pepper. I'm using some lemon pepper as well. And my jerk chicken. And then, you know, I'm using some chicken seasoning. Turn up that flavor and thing. In with some all-purpose as well. And we're going to dash on a little salt. Yeah? Yeah, man. And we're dashing on a little cayenne pepper as well. We need a little chunks of cayenne pepper. And then for our blended season, you know, that's the... Alright, now guys, for my secret ingredients, yeah man, the blended season. This is what make Jamaican authentic jerk chicken the Jamaican jerk chicken. Boom! This is it, guys. Yeah, man. You have to use them something. You can't do without this. So this is a combination of pimento berries, scallion, onion, our scotch bonnet pepper. Oh God! All of those season, guys. Alright, guys. I cannot jerk without my blended season. Have to have a blended season, yeah? Blended season is a must for me. Yeah? I'm gonna tip a little browning on this as well. Not much. You just need a little chips. Because I don't like when my jerk chicken is white. And as you can see, guys, I don't have yard thing this. When we don't have any gloves, this is what we run to. You know, a clean bag. And just shoe it on in it and deal with the thing. Yeah, man, so you want to rub in all of this seasoning. Yeah, man, garlic, everything you can think of it in this blended season. So this is our secret weapon to our Jamaican authentic jerk chicken, guys. The blended season. Take it from me. Yeah. Coming straight out of Palis little kitchen down a yard, yeah. Alright. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and tip just chunks of browning. Alright. So when we are jerking our jerk chicken, it will also get some color from when you're jerking it. That smoke and everything. So we don't need a lot of browning. We just need a chunks of browning on it. So this is it. So we're going just to rub in all of this thing here, nicely massage it in. And then we're going to leave it to sit for a couple hours. Yeah? Alright, so I cut it this, guys. Nice and lovely, look at that. Well seasoned. We are chewing them up on the grill because we're out here in the hot sun. I don't know summer 2023. So you want me know grill time. Grilling. Cool red hot. Watch it. Cool red hot, guys. Yeah. You know summer not normal. And guess what? The time at man. Oh gosh, man. The time is really hot. I'm sweating. A lot of sweat. But I don't know jerk chicken time, Jamaican thing. If you be a Jamaican, you know eat some jerk chicken yet, guys. Come on and find me. I'm going to get some good old authentic Jamaican jerk chicken. Yeah, man. So this is a leg and tie, you know, most people love the leg and tie. Them always ask the leg and tie. See that? Leg and tie. Look at it, guys. You know most people are buy jerk chicken. They want leg and tie. They're always asking for leg and tie. Comment and let me know what kind of chicken you like still. If it's the leg and tie or the breast or the wing or just the leg alone. Jerk chicken or jerk chicken also, and it is all hot and spicy and nice. Alright, so we are covered on this now. Alright, guys, so I'm going to just give them here a nice little turn and allow them to soak properly, you know, really good. You know, you can't rush chicken when you jerk it, you know, you have to take it time. You have to make sure that the heat is low. Don't make the heat too high underneath it, guys. Else your chicken is going to burn up and it now go soak. Just make sure that it's low, heat really low under this. Alright now, guys, so yeah, man, make sure your heat is low. You know, not too high because you don't want your chicken to burn up. So I eat that, so I'll cover back down this and continue to let the heat penetrate through it so it can jerk properly. Yeah. guys, what is jerking chicken without your beer? Your red stripe beer. Alright, I'm gonna toss on some of this on the chicken right now. So here we go. Look at that, lovely. Alright guys, so I'm just removing this jerk chicken now. This is finished, ready to eat. Yes, I'm just gonna remove them. Alright guys, so our jerk chicken is finished. So have a look at it. Nicely jerked. So I'm gonna go ahead now and just chop this up. Look at that, nice. Oh wow, Jamaican authentic jerk chicken in the summer here. We have to jerk some chicken anytime we touch summer, trust me. Chicken have to jerk. Not a if or a but or a maybe, chicken have to jerk. Alright, look at that. Look at the nice flesh, juicy. And that's the leg and thigh. Most people love leg and thigh. Alright guys, how you know you get a good jerk chicken is when you look at it and this is the bone. See the bone here? You see that? All of that heat penetrate through this bone. So look at it. There is no redness. See that? That's a good piece of jerk chicken. Jamaican jerk chicken. So we're going to plate it here now and dash on our ketchup and our little spicy scotch bonnet pepper. Or hot spicy, sweet and spicy scotch bonnet pepper. You can go ahead and use whatever spices that you want to use. But yeah, and that we're going to dash on it right here now, man. Alright, so we're going to dash on some of that nice spiciness. Alrighty, then we're going to top things off now. We're going to use a little ketchup. What is jerk chicken without ketchup? So yeah man, I eat that guys. We're diving at that right now. Alright now guys, so you have seen where we chop up the leg and thigh. Now we are just going to chop some thighs alone. That's it for the thigh. So we're going to put our sauce all over on this thigh. Just like how we do the leg and thigh. Alright, so zoom in and show them how nice and pretty and soaked this chicken is. Yeah, well soaked. Alrighty. Dashing up some sauce on it, guys. So this is our chicken breast, guys. And this is juicy. This is well soaked. And juicy. Juicy, juicy. Zoom in, let they see that. How that is juicy. So we're gonna top it off with our sauce. Yeah. This is our wing, well juicy, nicely soaked. Zoom in, let this see our wings. You know we're gonna throw some sauce on that as well to top it off and spice it up. Alrighty.
Back again. That one a shot. What you hear about down a yard, yeah? Yeah. Jerk chicken up. Yeah. Real Jamaican jerk chicken. You have to come a yard.
Alright. Just like that, eh, brother?
Straight. Hot off a grill.